Ah, what is that bright shiny thing in the sky?
I'm blind.
No, so today it's not raining.
And it's sunny. It's actually quite nice, but it is a little bit blinding.
We're headed off to the island of Burano. Burano? Burano. And we'll check in with you there. Just to give you an idea of how close you are to sea level, this water is actually seeping in from the drains, the storm sewer slots below there. If you stand here long enough, you'll see the water just slowly creeping out from here.
Am I talking or are you?
I don't know, are you talking or what?
Great intro.
No, that's here we are on the ferry to Burano, or Burano. Burano, spelled Burano. They probably want the A pronounced. But either way, we're on the ferry here, and each little stop will be kind of a little yellow dock that'll have the name. So we're actually kind of witnessed a group get off at a stop earlier that I don't think they wanted to get off on. So pay attention, the boat does make a fairly quick interchange. They're usually only stopped or pulled up to the mooring for maybe a couple of minutes at most.
So be ready to move when you're...
Yeah, especially at some of the smaller stops. I mean, they really basically touch off and start going again. But it's a wonderful view here, and you can see kind of just from the aspect of touring Venice, you know, the island chain from the water is actually pretty cool and probably worth the 30 euros for a trip.
It's for two people though.
And that is
15 for...
2 people round trip, so $7.50 a person one way.
Yeah.
But it is a really kind of unique way to see things, and we highly recommend it. Not only that, but you also get to stop off at the island and see all the things there, which will be our next video.
So here we are in Burano, or Burano, however you want to say it. This is one of the top 10 most colorful places in the world, which was part of the reason we wanted to come visit. You can see it's a pretty quiet little island. It is a fishing island. They also have a lot of lace museums here, but very brightly colored. All of the houses are painted different colors. I read somewhere this was due to the fishermen returning home would recognize their house from anywhere in the sea to see the bright colors. And if nothing else, it is amazing to view, and lucked out it's not raining today, so we get really great views of all the colors.
Attack of the pigeons! Wow! No, one great way to save money, bring a sandwich to go. Not only is it cost more at the table, but you get all kinds of guests that come and eat with you. But good way to save money on a little trip. Good way to have a snack, because you never know what's going to be open or how long the wait is, or those different things.
Enjoy a nice picnic, and like you said, table service is quite a bit more expensive, so if you get it to go, you can save quite a bit and enjoy the pigeons.
So Burano feels almost like a bit of a ghost town here in early December, late November. It's actually really tranquil when you're listening around. You'll hear the hum of a boat motor in the distance going between islands, but just kind of the gentle lapping of the boats against the moors. But a great time to come here. Just with it almost feels like we have the island to ourselves, kind of walking around. There's still a few little cafes and stuff open, but you know, as you can see in this little square here between kind of stopping points, there's a few people off in the distance, but it's largely just us. So it's a really nice little kind of peaceful, tranquil. The weather's nice. It's somewhat sheltered out here. Obviously, you probably don't want to come if it's raining or really windy, but you know, even in the early winter sun here, late fall sun, it's quite nice.
Plus, you aren't fighting people to try and get pictures. You can obviously tell this is a great picture point. I imagine during the summer months this is just completely packed as far as you can see. So you can still get pictures, but you're going to have a lot of people in them, whereas we've had the opportunity to take a lot of pictures that there's just nobody, and kind of tour at our own pace without dodging people.
Here we are on the island of Mazzorbo, right adjacent to Burano, actually connected by a little bridge, so you can just cross the bridge kind of in the direction we're looking. We're in the vineyard, or the walled vineyard, which they call Classic Venice. Venice. But what we're actually looking at, as we just read here, is kind of an ancient variety of grape known as, I believe it was the Dorna? Golden grape? Burano. But it was just kind of a cool little place we stumbled into, and as you know, the late afternoon sun starts to cast shadows on things, it seems like the photos are coming more to life. It's a good day for pictures, and you can see all the colors and just like the tranquil walk through the vineyard.